Nothing like the old days.
Back then, this wasn't just a radio. It was a portable nightclub.
Who needs AirPods when your whole block can hear the vibe?
Toast, coffee, cassette, balanced diet.
Forget the guitar, Boombox brings the fire.
Boombox, the sound that makes every moment louder.